Okay, so now that we understand a little bit more about the mentality of the interviewer, it's time to move on to understanding the interviewer's questions. Basically, what we are now moving into is preparing for the first date or the first interview. And the question we need to ask is, what do we need to do in order to prove that that first date or that first interview is true love? Now, the question can be answered if we go back a couple of sessions and we think about our first analogy of the love marriage. And what did we say we needed to do in order to prove that we were really passionate and in love with that company? We need to do research, and we need to get to know our audience, who is our interviewer. And so the best preparation we can do is to focus on what type of questions the interviewer, like Atif Saab, wants to know. And so let's have a discussion around this. Let's discuss what your experiences have been. How many of you have been in interviews? And what were the questions that you were asked that Atif Saab might also ask in an interview?